Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl, Chrissy Slays. I know it's been a while since I've made a YouTube video for you guys, but I am back today giving you a review on a wig that I just bought. It's actually my second human hair wig that I've ever bought. Normally I get synthetic or human hair blend, which we all know is basically synthetic, but this one is Brazilian straight. Amazon, I gave you a try. The first one I did like, I still wear, but I was ready to do something different, so I got the straight one. So let me show you exactly what it looked like exactly when I got it, because I actually just got it today, like right now, picked it up from my locker box at my apartment, and this is what it looked like. This is how it came. I didn't get a nice box. I didn't get anything. I mean, I spent $158 on this wig. When I got the other wig, I spent like about the same. So we'll see. We'll see what this wig is like. Try and put that up here. I don't know if it's gonna show you backwards, but I will definitely put the description information at the bottom. This is from Ucrown Hair. It's a 13x4 lace frontal wig that is 26 inches, and it should be Brazilian straight. So, that is how I should open clothes I get from a wholesaler, not a wig. It came like this. I mean, I still don't appreciate when wigs come in a bag, especially like if I'm paying for it, like box that bitch up. Let her have some air to breathe, some volume. I don't want to take it out of the package and there's no volume. But let's just say either way, like it did come with some free stuff. It's cute. The bag is pink, so thanks for that. But I still say that it's not the best way I want to receive a wig. Actually 2 lashes, so that's pretty cool. Normally it only comes with 1. Came with a wig cap. I believe the wig cap is in black. I don't really use black wig caps that much, but when I do, I'm definitely not gonna do it when I'm trying to slay human hair wig. Now this is the bag. I will say it feels really thin. Like it looks like it gets really thin to the bottom just by taking it out of the bag right now. So we'll see. And right now I just got off of work, so I wear this sock bun every day. So check out my other video, that how to slay a sock bun, because I do have that. So I'm gonna take my sock bun off first. So this is literally my first, this is my first time seeing this wig, just like you guys are. Like I said, Ucrown Hair. Let's see, you guys see the shininess, so I guess, yeah. I mean, it feels nice, it's soft. I will say the ends, just like with the other wig I got off Amazon, like they're all pieced out. Like, I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's not like from top to bottom one full strand. Like you can see the pieces are kind of shorter, and then they're really short up here, but so far it feels really soft. And then you can kind of see this was supposed to be pre-plucked, I believe also with bleached knots, because you know we be lazy nowadays, we don't want to be bleaching our knots. But this was a 13x4 frontal, so you can see I got the lace right here. It's already got a middle part, but I do believe that I can part this pretty much anywhere. It's got 1, 2 clips, 3 clips, and adjustable straps in the back. It also has lace in the back, so if you were gonna try and do a high ponytail, I guess you can. Let's put this on. But for me, I have a small head, so let's see it right now. I'll test it for if you need one that's for larger heads. I'll test it right now. It's at the very, very end. And then normally I have to like cross it all the way over to the other side and cross the other one all the way to the other side. Because I have a really small head. So this is tight, even for my head, but I would say there's this up here. So if you do have a big head, I'm pretty sure it's big head friendly. Just unhook. I probably wouldn't use these straps at all. I probably would just end up putting an elastic band on and keeping it moving because it's kind of tight for me right here, but I would obviously need to do something about this lifting, and that'll be more than just tucking it under, you know? So right now, this is what it looks like. Let me get a little bit closer. I'm in the mirror, so you guys, I don't know how well can you see it, but this is the hairline. It's thick. Also, this was 150% density. So the density is just, ooh, sounds like I almost ripped it. The density of this is, it's supposed to be pretty dense, but it doesn't feel very dense. It feels very lightweight. But human hair is light. That's one thing that I've had to get used to. I mean, that fake synthetic shit, that shit is heavy. Okay, when you put that shit on your head. But this human hair, okay, sometimes it just sways. Okay. They're not gonna know what to do because I'm not gonna know how to act. And I obviously don't have to have that part. It looks like they pre-parted it though. It looks like they already forced this middle part. And sometimes I don't like middle parts, so sometimes I might end up like pressing it out, you know, maybe even doing like a side part. Let me get a brush. I be having brain fart. Okay, I'm back with a brush. So this is the hair. Let me show you guys what the parting look like. See, it does feel like it's already like forced to part a certain way. The knots look a little bleached. But now you see where these little flyaway hairs I was talking about earlier. I love this like over the look. It just looks so good on me when I do a side part, and it's like, I might as well just be hella extra. The only thing about this wig is that it doesn't tangle, but it has so many flyaways. I'm gonna have to really put in some work on keeping the flyaways away and just making sure that it stays like, damn, all these little ones, like some straight shit today. One has ever bought a wig and has tried to buy one on a budget, you definitely know exactly where I'm coming from right now. But at the end of the day, it's like, it is what it is. So I'm not gonna take it back. I love it, but I don't love it, you know? Because this hair, you could be my marriage, but I'm gonna need a side bitch. I'm just kidding, I had to cut that out. Y'all know. And then, like I said, there's lace in the back. So let me see. Ooh, I feel like it tangles quickly. For me, I definitely need these hooks to be tighter, because when I take that wig on and off, I can already tell it's not gonna work. Crossed the comb because my head is so small. Like, just having it to the side of the comb doesn't work because I really like it, but I won't say I love it. Definitely has 150% density of the hairline. Like, they have so much hair right here. But I won't say that the wig feels like it's at 150% density. Like, I don't know if I can get up close enough where you'll see. But like, look, those are little ass hairs. Because I'm allergic to bullshit. Bullshit. But okay, you crown. I mean, you doing it. So thank you for the 26 inches. You definitely tell. It might be silky, but it's not silky smooth. I'm trying to tell you. But what I do appreciate is that this lace came in a medium brown. So I don't necessarily have to tint the lace, because it kind of already matches my skin tone enough for me to get away with that. And I also, I mean, I know it's bone straight, but one of these days I'll probably end up putting a curl to this and doing like some really cute curls. And it's straight, so it can go curly, it can go straight, it can do whatever. I'm gonna have to put some heat to it and put it all in this direction so I can tell the hair what to do instead of the hair trying to tell me what to do. And I'm like, bitch, no. So when she's on the mannequin, and I will definitely have to look at, like, look at where your hairline is too. Like my hairline, it kind of matches up. I might have to make this, like, pull this back a little more when you put in some work, but honey, every wig, you have to put in some work. You can't just take a wig out the box, shake and go. You can't just do that. If I walk through the house like this, I mean, I could, but I don't recommend it. My hair, it's really giving me like a 70s vibe, so I'm like, yeah, man. No, just kidding. But I am really liking it. So I'm liking it because I love myself with hair. I'm not liking it because I'm in love with this hair.